Welcome to the Google AdWords tutorial. In this lesson, we'll be teaching you how to set up a Google AdWords account. So we simply start off by clicking on the link that says click on advertising programs. You are then redirected to the following page where all you need to do is click on Google AdWords. Once you reach this section, you click on English as your language setting for setting up the account, and thereafter you click on Start Now to begin the process. Right, now you see the option of a Starter Edition and a Standard Edition. The Starter Edition is the simpler and faster way of setting up an account for someone who is still new to the internet and is learning the basics. It is, however, recommended that you click on the Standard Edition instead. This gives you more flexibility and options while setting up the account. So click on the Standard Edition option and click Continue once you're done. On this page, you can choose the language that you want to advertise through. For example, you can pick English as the medium of advertising since it is the most common language. Depending on the locations you're targeting, you have three options. The first one allows you to select one or more countries from a list. Ads for your campaign will be shown to all of these countries regardless of the written language of your ad text. Region and city targeting allows you to target your ads to specific users of small geographic areas. And the third option is you can choose a customized setting of your own. Once you've clicked on your preference, click Continue to proceed. On this page, you need to select the countries that you would like to target. For example, if you think your ad is relevant to Europeans, then you can click on countries such as UK, France, Germany, Spain, and so on. However, do keep in mind that the language settings you've chosen must be relevant to the countries you pick. You can click on as many countries as you want for no additional cost. Once you've made your settings, click on Continue. Now we've come to the section where we need to create the ad itself. On the top left of the page is a sample ad of what your ad will look like and the layout that it will follow. The headline is the main title of the ad, which will stand out the most because of its bold font. Keep this heading brief, appealing, and relevant to your product or service. The two descriptions below that are to write 2 lines about what exactly your product or service is about, what you provide, what your USPs are, and what sets you apart. Keep all these factors in mind while phrasing your lines. Do note that the words in these 2 lines will be used as keywords when searchers type in a word on the search engine. Next, we have the display URL. This has to be neat, small, and presentable on the front page itself with the advertisement. The destination URL, on the other hand, is the landing page after the customers click on a display URL. Therefore, this page must be user-friendly. Once you've entered all the details, the final look of the ad will appear on the top left-hand corner. This will give you a gist of how your ad will look like. Once you're happy with this setting, click on Continue. Now you need to write out a list of keywords that potential customers would type in when looking for something similar to your product or service. Once you've jotted down the main keywords that come to your mind, you can also click on More Keywords and Google will generate a list of keywords for you. Putting a keyword within brackets means you're looking for keywords that are exact matches. Putting a keyword within quotes means you're looking for keywords that have either the first or the second word as a potential match. Once you've come up with a list of all desirable keywords, you can click Continue. However, do note that you can keep editing your keywords in the future based on each word's popularity. On this page, you need to choose the appropriate currency. Remember, you can only choose the setting for the currency once, and then it will be used for all further transactions in the future. It is advisable to choose the US dollar as it is a global currency and recognized easily everywhere. You can even view your payment options to be certain of your choice. Then you need to decide your daily budget. Your daily budget decides how many times in a day your ad will be shown depending on how much money you allocate to it. An average amount to use which is recommended to start off with is $10 a day. Depending on how successful your ad is, you can increase or decrease the budget in the future. Your CPC bid is set at $0.1 by default. The CPC bid is the amount that you have to pay Google every time someone clicks on your ad. Once again, we recommend that you start off with about 40 or 50 cents per click. Once you've made the settings, click Continue. Now, before you can proceed to confirm all necessary details, you may want to review your selections for last-minute changes. On this page, you get a final statement showing you all the selections you've made so far and an option to edit each of them. Once you've made all the necessary changes, you can proceed to the sign-up page. Now, finally, you reach up your sign-up page. Over here, you have two options. If you already have an account with Google on Gmail, then all you have to do is use your current account and key in the details in the given space. However, if you don't have an account with Google, then you just have to create a new one. All you need is to type in your email address, your password, and the characters written below. Once you're done, click on Create Account and your new account has officially been created. Okay. Congratulations! Now you have successfully created your AdWords account. Once you reach this page, you need to log in to your email account and click on the following link to verify that the account is valid. You will be redirected to the following page, where all you need to do is click on the highlighted link to proceed. Finally, you can activate your account by keying in your email and password and signing in. Now your Google AdWords campaign is set up and ready to run. Thanks for listening and hope you enjoy Google AdWords.